Hey folks, we're gonna do another one. When I was playing around with pulling the tranny, I checked the shift rod, it was pretty loose. So today, we're gonna do the shift rod bushings. I believe there's two. We'll pull the shift rod out, clean it up, stick it back together, and we'll be done with this quick little episode that'll probably take a week. I just don't have the best of luck right now. So anyways, here we go. Look at this. There we go. Pretty sloppy. Yeah, we'll take the shift coupler off, the boot off, we'll slide it out, see what we have. There's a front shift rod. I'll see if I have to undo the shifter. Hopefully I don't, but here, you just look out. Let's go. Woo. There it is. Yeah, we'll inspect this, make sure it's still good. Looks good. We'll clean it, put it back in. Boot looks good. Still squishy. That's actually touching. All right, let's get it off up front. Looks like you're in the right place. Cut this wire. Always wear safety glasses. Or your regular glasses. Oh yeah, I got all the stuff underneath the bus already. There it is. Can you believe that? That was pretty cool. These old buses are always rusty. This thing's nasty. Yeah, I'm unscrewing it. Come on, buddy. I just stick a screwdriver in here and just pop this off like real easy. Doesn't look like it's coming off real easy. There it is, just wiggle it off, slide that out. Check the boot. Boot looks good still. We'll clean it up and stick it back in there. All right, let's get out. Looks good. Put a new one here. That one looks like it's been replaced. I don't remember when I did it. All right, we got a little dirt on this one. This side looks good. Let's replace them. Little brake cleaner. Just wipe this down real quick. I took the heavy grease off of it. There's holes in this where the bushing goes. Front, close. Middle one. Rear, nothing. That's why it's a little wobbly. So we'll get this greased up and we'll get it back in here. Like they pointing towards the back of the bus. So we'll do both of them to the back of the bus. That makes a lot of sense. There's more sticking out. See, and there's the little nipple in there. That goes in the hole. Got that one on. What I'll do is I'll just add a little bit more grease. This just prevents rust. So you just have to do a thin coat. Worst thing you want is a rusty shaft. Keep the hole up. All right. Gotta make sure it fits in that hole, folks. Bingo. It's sitting out like that. I pack it all around the shaft coming out. Like it's shuttlecock. I'll just pack it between the plastic and clean off the last couple inches. Stick that in there. I'll clean the boots, the shift coupler, inspect all three of them, and then we'll reassemble. Shift coupler. Broken, no bueno. So we need a new shift coupler. New shift coupler. The stuff you have to check, right? So that's ready to go. I'm coming in. I got the clean boot. Look at this boot. Look at that. Nice and clean. Oh, somebody did. Oh, it's right here. All right, I gotta go push the thing up a little bit closer. All right, I'll be right back. As soon as it sticks out of the hole, holler, all right? I'm too old for this, guys. Yeah. Hey, good job, thank you. Right back. What I missed. Ow. Oh, that's just a bumper bracket jamming me in the head. Oh, wow. That's awesome right there. Oh, push it back. Push it back. Push this forward. Oh, hang on. Flashlight. Okay. Camera. See? See it? You can see just a little bit of the hole right there. Let me squeeze that in there. What I like to do is my shoulders don't really work like they used to. Oh, what'd I forget? Right? What'd I forget, folks? I forgot the boot. Thanks for reminding me. Yo, the boot. That'll help actually hold this thing where it belongs. All right, come on, there it is. Push that in, push that in. Let's see what we got here. Pretty close. If we could get this started, it'll push it in the right direction at least. Now it's centering itself. Nice. Every time I do this, I think of a friend of mine that has the little wrench. It's actually a socket that fits this. That's been 30 years ago. I think I told her the story at buses. Like, I remember that. Everything's super tight. There it is. Go find a wire. We're done up here. Woohoo! I don't know if you can see this. Probably not. You're on the wrong side. There we go. We're gonna get a wire in there. Find out where the hole is. Hold the camera and do all this stuff. Oh, sorry. Grab it over here. Get it through. There it is. That one won't loosen. Very good. Not the strongest wire, but better than no wire. What do we got? What do we need? I don't see my 7. Pull this forward. Perfect. This is gonna be good. All right. Here. Oh, don't go back. There it is. Let's see if this one fits on here the way it should. And there it goes. I saw it center. Centering. New coupler. Cleaned up the boots 2 new bushings, and a dirty lens. Shift rod's complete. Time to go degrease the camera. Peace out, folks. See you on the next one.